So yes, I'm planning to buy a REIT this offer period. After carefully considering all the risks and opportunities dito sa REIT na ito, I've decided to buy. And on this short video, I'll tell you how I came up with the decision. Quick disclaimer lang ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Joke lang. This video is intended for research purposes only. This is in no way a recommendation to buy or sell a stock. Ika nga ni Madam Zenaida, meron tayong free will, gamitin natin ito. I'm sure na-review nyo na ang laman ng AREIT either sa social media or sa prospectus nito. So I'll skip that part. Instead, focus na lang tayo sa research. Pero iwan ko na rin itong mga part na ito kung gusto nyo ng more information. AREIT will be the first REIT na papasok sa PSE. As of July 22, Ayala announced that AREIT will be priced at 27 per share, with gross proceeds na aabot ng 12 billion. So, what's good about AREIT? First, ang asset ng AREIT ay mga office buildings, and 59% ng mga tenants nito ay BPOs. Apart from office leasing, may commercial piece at service apartments din dito. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, ang demand sa office space from BPOs remain resilient as foreign companies based in developed countries continue to outsource their operations to reduce labor cost. Tapos dagdag mo pa yung mandate for social distancing, BPOs now require larger floor area for the same number of employees. The Ayala brand. Need I say more? If you ask a common Pinoy pagdating sa property company, Ayala will be one, if not the top of mind sa atin. Given na isa ito sa kanilang subsidiary company, we have the peace of mind na it demands class and excellent property management practice kung saan kilala ang mga Ayala. Also, being the first offer REIT sa bansa, they can benefit from the excitement ng market for new products. Long-term cash flow. The 3 buildings have high occupancy rate with long-term lease contract. Karamihan nga sa mga ito ay nasa 5 to 10 years contract at wala pang up for renewal sa kanila this year, while 1.2% and 8.3% naman will expire next year and on 2022 respectively. Kaya matagal-tagal ding pwedeng gatasan ng AREIT. Pagdating sa occupancy rate, halos fully utilized ang mga assets under the company. Solaris 1 and Ayala North Exchange are fully leased out, while si McKinley Exchange naman around 98% occupied na, which is not bad after all, di ba? No long-term debt. This gives the company a healthy cash flow and mas madali para sa kanila ang humiram sa mga banks kung kinakailangan. Para sa mga projects nito including yung Teleperformance Cebu na part ng proceeds from the IPO. No POGO tenants. We've all heard about the issues ng POGO or Philippine Offshore Gaming Operator sa bansa. And may ilan nga sa kanila na umalis na due to unresolved disputes with BIR. Good thing is, walang POGO tenants sa mga office buildings under AREIT. So, we can say na safer siya compared to other buildings. Of course, I have also considered yung mga risks and I'll highlight na rin ito for added information. AREIT does not own the land kung saan nakatayo ang mga properties. You'd be disappointed if you expect to benefit sa land capital appreciation. Pero kahit naman ganon, the risk that the land where its buildings are located will be sold is very minimal, given na Ayala Land owns both the land and majority of AREIT. COVID pandemic effect on property sector. Overall sentiment for property industry is still negative, which I think will last until Q4. AREIT, being in a property sector, will take a hit from slower demand due to lower disposable income in the short term. Dividend yield could be higher. The estimated dividend yield for AREIT this year is at around 5.1%, then 5.3% naman next year. Comparing this to the recent 10-year corporate bonds ng Jollibee and ICTSI, nasa 4.8% na sila. Although okay si AREIT pagdating sa fundamental, its yield could have been higher compared to corporate bonds given na bond coupons are fixed while cash dividends on REITs are not Ali's top asset. AREIT derives revenue and profit from the 3 developments and hopefully sa pang-apat which they will acquire as part of the IPO proceeds. However, none of these are among its best assets. In conclusion, all stocks are speculative in nature, even sa REIT. IPOs are riskier dahil wala pang track record ito as a public company. So, wala pa tayong makikitang charts. Sure, they'll show you their financial highlight, but those were history already. We are limited on what the book runner feeds us. Tapos, idagdag mo pa yung mga nagmamagaling na analyst na makikita mo sa social media and magsasabi na ang mahal naman or ang mura naman. Are you kidding me? Where's your basis? So, very susceptible talaga siya sa hype. Lastly, at the end of the day, IPOs are demand-based. Kung marami ang attracted sa company, mas malaki ang potential na aangat ang price nito on its first day. And to be attractive, dito papasok ang future earnings, business model at of course, marketing efforts ito. In summary, no one knows kung aakyat o bababa ang presyo ng isang IPO on its first day until they finally happen. We all can just either watch or speculate. Unlike normal stocks, REITs are long-term assets due to their dividend. So please don't compare it to stocks na recently na nag-IPO. This is one of the reasons why I'll buy sa offer period. Syempre, my primary reason is I always buy IPOs. Iba lang ang strategy dito dahil pang long term talaga ito. That's it. Those were my take on AREIT, the first REIT offering sa PSE. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.